Listen to that. That's hail coming down on my car. Bouncing in now. Bloody hell, it's coming in. Back her up a bit. I got my mate Tom trapped in his car there, look. Soaked everywhere. Look at that. The whole car park up there is white. There's Tom. Yep, that's hail. Oh, I feel sorry for that poor cyclist. Oh, it's bloody horrible out there. And you don't see this very often. Hail. Hail much?
Fucking hell, I'm stopping your fucking wipers halfway up the fucking door.
Yeah, mine was struggling as well.
Fucking hell, mate, fucking white over. Your car's getting fucking ruined, yeah?
Hey?
Your car's getting fucking ruined.
Yeah, mine's soaked as well. Look at that.
Fucking horrible, isn't it?
Big pile of white stuff.
Yeah. No doubt it'll end up with windscreen on the way home.
Hey?
No doubt it'll end up with windscreen on the way home.
Probably.
Roll now,
Beer sounds like a good idea. I'm gonna go and get a bloody Mother's Day present.
Okay.
Yeah, I was gonna get to Boots quick before they close.
Yeah.
I'll catch you later, Tom.
Alright, dude, take it easy.
Look at that. Everywhere. All down the sides. Loads of water. here and go and get Mother's Day presents. All this water suddenly is loads and loads of hail. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Flipping speed bumps. There we go. Over that one. Trouble with having such a low car. It's all gone now. It's just all water.